Ulitin ko.
Wherever you are, let us show you. You can walk out.
Kita ko?
I just wanna say that you're alone. No one like you. I said no. You're not to go. There's something in your eyes. Let my heart be slow. I just know that I'm loving you.
Why?
I'm too alone. No one, I'm not again.
Thank you very much.
What's this in this game? Will I finally came? I must have all the ground that where you and I.
Hello fans, I love you.
Even though you are,
Bring the cat no?
I feel that I'm high. I lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I'm not with you, you don't know why.
Visit Leah's Kitchenette.
It was just a mistake. When I finally came, I was so blind, nowhere to find that you were mine.
Hello, this is Mr. Composer. Please like and share. Thank you.
I search and hold you to all of your loveliness in my arms, tell me to make you love you. True love, don't mind, never again. And I said, there is you.
Merry Christmas advance. Thank you, I love you. This is Mr. Composer. Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube, Mr. Composer, and follow my Mr. Composer blog. Thank you very much. And here's Randall next. Just testing. Thank you kay Dahil. Lamay kayo niyang kuan. I will be back. Look at the beautiful girls diri on. Anak ni Kuan, Gemma Kayong Kong.